Hello everyone. So Mercury has finally transited in the sign of Virgo, where it is exalted. So this transit is going to bring a lot of positive changes for many people. First of all, generally speaking, most of the people will get clarity through many things, especially their communication. Those people who are into business or who are in social media will also get benefit. People who are into occult will also get benefit because of this transit. Now, how this Mercury, which is exalted, will benefit each and every sign, let's talk about it. For Aries, Mercury has exalted in its sixth house. So, sixth house is the house of day to day work. It is also the house of competition. So, people who are preparing for competitive exams will definitely feel that they have gained clarity in a manner that how they can prepare well to clear their exams. Also, this is a very good time for people who want to change their jobs and who want to get promotions. It's a very good time period for those people who are seeking a growth in their profession, and not only profession, who wants to get rid of problems in their life. For Aries people, most of your problems will now go away in this particular time period of 1 month. Okay, now let's talk about Taurus. For Taurus people, their Mercury is in their fifth house, exalted. So definitely they will get a lot of good intelligence, lot of creativity. People who are in academics, they will also be benefited. For people who are in relationships, they will also be benefited. Their relationship will have new clarity. It will have fun element also. They will spend quality time with each other. Also, this time is very good for people who are investing in share market. For Gemini people, Mercury is exalted in their fourth house. So, this is a very good time period to buy a new vehicle or to invest in real estate property, buy a new home, or if you want to change your home, you want to do shifting, then also this is a very good time period. It's a very good time period for your mental peace also. Like if you have not been feeling mentally so well, this time you will feel that you are gaining clarity and how to make things better in your life. For Cancer ascendant people, Mercury has transited in the third house in the sign of Virgo. So this is a very good time period for all those people who are in social media, who are in sales, marketing, etc. Also, this is a very good time period for people who are writers or who are into publishing as well. For Leo ascendant people, Mercury has exalted in your second house. So this is a very good time period for people who are into fields which require communication. Also, this is a very good time people for singers and artists also. Also, we all know Leo is a very creative sign. So, stage performers or people who want to uh, have more savings will see that this month, this particular transit of Mercury in the second house is going to bring lot of money flow also. For Virgo ascendant people, it's a very crucial time. Obviously, that ascendant Lord is exalted in the first house. So, first of all, their physical health will improve a lot. They will get a lot of clarity about their whole life actually in this particular time. Their career, their relationships, their mental health, their physical health. Also, they will get confidence in how they can manage their life better, because Mercury is the best planet which can manage things. And when it is exalted, it will never let you feel confused. For Libra ascendant people, Mercury has transited in their 12th house. So, in 12th house, Mercury can bring some problems in your sleep pattern. Okay, now here, because for Libra ascendant people, Mercury is a naturally benefic planet for you, and when it goes in the 12th house, it can bring some problems, some fluctuations. Also, it can cause some unnecessary expenditures. But yes, those people who are planning to move to foreign lands, who wants to change their job or profession, or want to completely change their country only, this is a time period when you can do it successfully. For Scorpio ascendant people, Mercury has exalted in your 11th house. 11th house is the house of gains, hopes, wishes, fulfillment, and this shows that your income will definitely increase during this period. Your network circle will increase a lot, and also people who are in social media or people who are occultists will also gain a lot of popularity also and financial growth as well. For Sagittarius ascendant people, Mercury has exalted in your 10th house of your career, of your popularity, of your fame. So definitely this is a time period when you can get recognition, promotions. This is a very good time to switch your career or even to switch your job to get promotions. So for Sagittarius people, this Mercury transit is very fruitful. For Capricorn ascendant people, Mercury has exalted in your ninth house. So ninth house is the house of our luck. Your luck will definitely help you in all areas of life during this period. So if you want to invest in a new property or you want to start a new business, start a new relationship, do it during this period because luck will favor you. For Aquarius ascendant people, Mercury has transited in your 8th house and it is exalted there. So it is showing that, especially because it is your 5th house lord also. So people who are into share market, who are into speculative businesses, definitely will gain a lot of sudden success. Also, people who are in love relationships can see that suddenly either they will get into a new relationship, or if they were in a toxic relationship, that will completely end and they will be set freed by Mercury. For Pisces ascendant people, Mercury has transited in your 7th house. It is exalted there. So it's a very good time period for people who are looking for a suitable partner. And also it is a good time for people who are into relationships and who want to have a long-term commitment with their partner. So this was all for all the zodiac signs. If you like this video, share it.